Next is the microwave. Is it securely attached to the wall or the cabinets above? I can see that there's a plug there. I don't see a vent, but I remember being on the outside of the house and I saw a hood in between these two windows. So it's the exhaust hood for this appliance. So when I turn the fan on, there's no air, it's going outside. And I can confirm that on the outside. And the light turns on, and there's a little grill for the exhaust. This catches grease that needs to be cleaned. Now to test it, you don't have to turn the time on, but I'm not gonna cook anything. What I do is I get my little microwave tester and I turn it on with some water. So I got a little cup of mine, a little bit of water. I can turn it on and test it just with that, but I use this device. This is Internachi's microwave tester. So I stick it inside and it's gonna glow while I'm turning it on. So let's see if we can get this to turn on, and it turns on. Yep, that's really cool, right? So not only do I know that this device says that there are microwaves bouncing around, the warm water said that there's microwaves working as well. So now my client knows that the microwave works.